In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to a Salesforce company. We'll walk through the official careers site together, explore the pages that help you understand the company and teams, narrow your search with smart filters, and finish by saving a role and starting an application. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Apply to Salesforce. From the results, click the official link that says Find Your Career, Salesforce Jobs. This takes you to the primary careers site where all open roles are listed. A quick tip, always make sure you're on the official domain so you know the postings are current and legitimate. Before searching, spend a moment exploring the resources at the top of the site. Click Life at Salesforce to get a feel for the culture, values, and what day-to-day life looks like across the company. This context helps you tailor your application materials later. Next, select Our Locations to see where teams are based around the world and what offices or hybrid options might be available. Then choose Our Teams to understand the different functions like sales, engineering, customer success, marketing, and more, so you can map your skills to the right area. If you're early in your career, click University to check out internships and new grad opportunities. And if you're exploring pathways into tech or returning to the workforce, open Talent Programs to see structured programs that can be a great entry point. When you're ready to search openings, click Jobs. At the top of the job search page, click into the search field labeled Search Job Title, Skill, or Keyword. Type in terms that best reflect what you want, maybe account executive, business analyst, AI, or a specific Salesforce product area. Precise, relevant keywords will surface better matches. Now refine your results using the filters. Click Country to select where you're legally authorized to work. Then click Region to narrow the search to a part of that country if needed. Choose Location to target a specific city or office, or to find remote options when available. Click Team to pick the function that aligns with your background. Then select Contract to indicate full-time, part-time, internship, or other arrangements. Finally, click Employee Type if there's an additional category relevant to your situation. With your criteria set, click Search to apply those filters and update the results. Browse the roles that appear. When one looks promising, click the job to open the full posting. Here's where you evaluate the fit. Start by clicking into the Description tab to understand the scope of the role and how it contributes to the business. Then click Responsibilities to confirm what your day-to-day work would include and how your experience lines up. Next, click Minimum Qualifications to make sure you meet the baseline requirements like years of experience, technical skills, or certifications. After that, click Preferred Qualifications to see which extra skills can strengthen your candidacy. If you have several of these, that's a great sign. If you want to revisit the role later, click Save. This adds it to your saved jobs so you don't lose track of it while you keep exploring. When you're confident it's the right fit, click Apply Now. You'll be guided through the company's application flow, where you can share your resume and answer any role-specific questions. A quick recommendation before you submit: make sure your resume highlights the keywords you saw in the description and qualification sections, and double-check your location and eligibility settings so everything aligns with the filters you chose earlier. That's the full process. Start in Google, open the official careers site, explore Life at Salesforce and the team and location pages for context, head into Jobs, use the search box and filters to zero in on the right openings, review the role thoroughly across all tabs, save it for later if needed, and apply when you're ready. Follow these steps and you'll navigate the Salesforce careers site with confidence from first search to application.